This video highlights key phases of our team installing a 600 kilowatt Cummins generator and related power infrastructure for Aqua America's New Jersey facility. Aqua America is the second largest publicly traded water company in the United States. They contacted AG Electrical Contractors to design and install a backup generator system. These infrastructure improvements are part of Aqua's proactive planning to ensure quality and reliable drinking water to their customers. Special thanks to John Zamara and his team at Cummins Power Systems. As always, they were great partners and ensured a successful project.
All right, now we're setting the CT cabinet, putting that in place.
Thank you, Sean, and our AG team on site, as well as the Aqua America staff. Thank you, John Zamara and his team at Cummins Power Systems. Thank you, Pride Construction. Another great job from Sky High Crane and Rigging. Thank you, W. Dowd Excavating. Thank you, High Energy Electrical Testing, for your expert work.